Welcome to the workshop, baby. We back. Another reaction video. We got Lakeyah, Young and Ratchet. I react to a lot of Lakeyah videos on the channel. You know what I mean? So I learned a thing or two about little Miss Lakeyah. She's from Milwaukee. I think she just turned 20. I think that's what somebody told me in the comments. I think. And I believe she in a relationship. I don't know. Let's get into this though, because I like how she raps. She signed to QC. I like how she rap. She a nice artist. I like her for sure. So let's see what this sounds like. I heard a few breakup joints, like more of the singing. I did one rapping one. That one was good. So let's see what vibe she giving us today. With a tongue like Young, I said tongue. With a song named like Young and Ratchet, I'm expecting raps.
Let me show you what to do. Let me show you what to do.
Ayy, bitch, I'm young and ratchet, rock high fashion, my Glock 40 Gucci, ayy. Pussy water, make that nigga book a flight to Tulum. Can't cap my check up in no bank, my shit too big for that. I wish a pussy hoe might play with me, I'm...
What? Look how they dropping them knees. This is prime twerk technique. Look how the knee dropping. Look how the knee dropping.
My shit too big for that. I wish a pussy hoe might play with me, I'm...
Look, you gotta be, come on now. If you wanna be a superstar twerker, that's one of the techniques you gotta have. Your knee work gotta be on point. It's not about the ass, okay? It's about all the surrounding other figures.
Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my diamonds flashing, I just killed another rat. Bitch, throw some flowers on a casket, ayy. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my niggas trapping, ayy. Catch me out in traffic, I pull up to get my backing, yeah. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet. Bitch, I'm classy, but I'm freaky, pretty bitch, and I'm petite. Change my name to Jada Pinkett. He pull up on after hours, and he know it ain't no speaking. Mouth so good the way he eat it, I might let him get a feature. Ooh, bitch, he like you net.
Hey, if y'all rapping, if any guys out there who rappers, try to take her up on that offer. You get a free Lakeyah feature. All you gotta do is eat the box. That's all you gotta do. Firely though, you gotta do it good. Cause she said so good, I might just get that nigga feature. You gotta do it good. If you want that Lakeyah feature, you gotta learn how to eat that motherfucker. Hey, I low-key might start rap. I'm gonna take a class or two so I can get that Lakeyah. I'm finna watch some videos when I get off here. What, Lakeyah? I want my feature.
Nasty, real body, no plastic. I ain't gotta fuck no nigga for no song, bitch, so don't ask me. Any nigga with a baby mama, he can cut the check but can't have me. Nigga better really come with it, fucking big shit, tryna bag me. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, rock high fashion, my Glock 40 Gucci, ayy. Pussy water, make that nigga book a flight to Tulum. Can't cap my check up in no bank, my shit too big for that. I wish a pussy hoe might play with me, I'm drilling that. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my diamonds flashing, I just killed another rat.
Do y'all remember that video where dog was, when that old white man was riding that car and it was some girl with some ass and went, what did he say in that video, bro? Oh my gosh, what did he say in that video? Man, y'all know what I'm talking about, man.
Ratchet, throw some flowers on a casket, ayy. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my niggas trapping, ayy. Catch me out in traffic, I pull up to get my backing, yeah. Bitch, I'm young and top off when it's hot out. New drip when I pop out. Tell a DJ cut the beat for me. Who the fuck burn the ops out? Broke niggas want $3. 10 niggas on like 3 bottles. I'm on whatever she on. Tell that soft bitch to come see about me. Rap bitch, but I'm bad too. Young bitch in my bag too. Couldn't decide on my pieces, nigga hit the Louis store and I grab two. Bitches hating cause I'm doing damage, can't no nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, Lakeyah really be spitting some shit. Lakeyah rough, I ain't gonna lie, she hard.
Louis store when I grab two. Bitches hating cause I'm doing damage, can't no nigga ever say they had it. Rich vibes, I'm living lavish. Lit bitch, I'm so young and ratchet, I am.
Let me show you what to do. Let me
Ayy, bitch, I'm young and ratchet, rock high fashion, my Glock 40 Gucci, ayy. Pussy water, make that nigga book a flight to Tulum. Can't carry my check up in no bank, my shit too big for that. I wish a pussy hoe might play with me, I'm drilling that. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my diamonds flashing, I just killed another rat, bitch. Throw some flowers on the casket, ayy. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my niggas trapping.
She doing that thing on the splits. Ooh-wee. Look at the, you feel me? Look at the, you feel me? Like, come on now. That's next level. That's next level. These is some nice twerkers. She picked out some nice twerkers. And look at bro. He talking about, God damn. Look at that girl. You know what I mean? You know what time he on. He trying to buy one of them motherfuckers. He trying to buy
I
one
was
of them
on the
motherfuckers.
casket, ayy. Bitch, I'm young and ratchet, ayy. All my niggas trapping, ayy. Catch me out in traffic, I pull up to get my back, and yeah, bitch, I'm young and ratchet.
Let me show you what to do. Let me show you what to do. Let me show you what to do. Let me show you what to do.
Shout out Lakeyah for the video, man. Young and Ratchet. That was a fire song. I like it, man. Hi, Seven.
Hi.
Yeah, baby, I'm shooting a video. Okay, here. Here, I'll talk to you later, okay? Thank you. Okay. That was my daughter, y'all. Yeah, Lakeyah, Young and Ratchet video. Like the video, subscribe. I'm all flustered now. God dang it. Yeah, my last reaction video I did over here. Make sure you check that out. My last story time I did over there. Make sure you check that out as well. Don't forget that hit the bell notification because I be dropping videos and y'all need to support the kid. You know what I mean? Y'all need to support me. For real. Hit that bell. Oh yeah, we bring it back Throwback Thursday videos every Thursday on the channel. Every Thursday on the channel, we bring it back Throwback Thursday videos. If you not knowing what I'm talking about, go check out some of my earliest Throwback Thursday videos. I got a playlist on my channel, so when you hit my channel, just go to playlist, Throwback Thursday reaction videos is on there. We bringing them back starting tomorrow. If you got any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Like 10 years back. Go like 10 years back. You feel me? Go like 10 years back. So that's what? 2011? Anything 2011 and back, we doing that. You feel me? We doing that. Yeah, it's the workshop. We out.